What if the dream of living free was more than a fantasy? What if the idea of escaping the noise of cities, the pressure of deadlines, the chaos of routine, became a physical reality with wheels, engine power, and a passport to anywhere you wish to go? Today, the answer stands in front of you in 6 massive tires wrapped in steel, built on the backbone of American industrial strength. The name is simple. The legacy is long. The 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper. A machine that takes everything you know about motorhomes, camper vans, luxury RVs, expedition trucks, and adventure rigs, and crushes it into a single idea. A moving house that can conquer any continent, from the Arctic to the Sahara, from rocky mountain passes to deep forest trails, from ice roads to empty plains. This machine has one mission: to take you wherever your heart wants to go, without sacrificing comfort, safety, or the feeling of being at home. Standing before this gigantic structure, the first thing you feel is scale. It's not a vehicle, it's presence. A tall, wide, dominant shadow, reflecting white showroom lights over its armored paint surface. The front is aggressive, the iconic Mack grille, redesigned with a modern military-grade aesthetic. Dual-layer LED matrix headlights look like the eyes of a machine built for survival. Beneath the front bumper, a fully integrated winch system sits like a silent promise that no terrain will stop you. The underbody is protected by reinforced steel plates, built to take hits from rocks, ice, branches, and anything nature can throw. 6 enormous tires stand like pillars, each one ready to crush terrain without hesitation. These are not road tires, they're world tires. Beadlock rings, puncture-proof layers, deep treads carved like river paths, ready for sand, clay, gravel, snow. When the engine starts, the earth feels it. A 13-liter diesel hybrid that uses electric torque to push power into all 6 wheels with mathematical precision. 900 horsepower, 3,800 nanometers torque, triple differential lock, autonomous torque distribution, and regenerative braking feeding 2 ultra-dense battery cells. Solar panels hidden on the roof absorb sunlight all day, turning wilderness into energy. On flat roads, it glides. On slopes, it climbs. On ice, it crawls. On sand, it floats. This machine isn't asking for a road. It will make its own. But power is only half the story. Open the door, and everything changes. The cold industrial body gives way to warmth. Lights fade in gently, welcoming you into a world designed with intention. The first step is soft, cushioned, a small moment showing you that comfort was not sacrificed at the altar of capability. Inside, the world goes quiet. Thick insulation isolates you from wind, engine rumble, temperature swings. What you hear now is silence, like the pause after a finished symphony. The interior is designed like a Nordic cabin fused with American luxury. Natural wood tones, matte black finishes, soft fabrics, neutral colors that calm the mind. On the left, a living lounge with a plush sofa that folds out, transforming into an extra bed if needed. Under the cushions, hidden storage boxes hold tools, camping gear, emergency kits, or personal belongings. In front of the sofa, a fold-out table that can serve as a dining space, workspace, or a place to share stories under the glow of warm lights. Massive windows on both sides turn the outside world into a cinematic experience. Imagine sipping coffee while a glacier stands outside, or eating dinner with a desert sunset stretching across the horizon. This motorhome is not about hiding from nature. It's about sitting in the front row. The cockpit is futuristic in a useful way. Two vertical screens sit in a minimalist dashboard. The first is navigation, but not just maps. It's satellite view, terrain elevation, slope percentage, drone feed, compass alignment, and route prediction. The second screen shows the health of the machine: tire pressure, engine temperature, battery levels, solar input, water storage, gray water tank, and a weather forecast. It also shows the position of the sun across the day, helping you choose the most efficient parking angle for solar gain. Buttons are limited because everything is voice-controlled, using a rugged AI system that works even offline. Say level ground, and the suspension automatically adjusts to make your floor perfectly flat. Say night mode, and the lights turn amber, screens dim, blinds close. The cockpit is not just smart, it's intelligent in moments where you don't want to think about details, you just want to live them. Walk towards the center, and you reach the kitchen. A compact work of engineering excellence. A dual-burner induction panel hidden beneath a ceramic surface. Slide your finger, and it appears. Push it again. It disappears into a clean surface. A deep sink with a flexible faucet. A purifier that turns river water into drinkable water. A fridge drawer that locks itself while driving. Cabinets with lock latches built for bumpy roads. Everything is designed to work in motion. You can cook while parked on a slope. You can boil water during a storm. You can fry eggs while overlooking a frozen valley. The vents recycle heat. The window above the counter frames the landscape like artwork. This kitchen is not small, it's efficient, because efficiency is luxury. Turn right, and the hallway narrows slightly, guiding you to the bathroom. And here, you are forced to change your idea of what a bathroom in a vehicle looks like. A full-height shower with thermal-resistant glass. A dry flush toilet that removes smell using vacuum technology. A small vanity mirror with LED halo lighting. A cabinet for toiletries. A towel rack with electric heating. The floor drains both sides for off-angle parking. Hot water arrives instantly, powered by a smart boiler that remembers your preferred temperature. Take a shower while it's snowing outside. Brush your teeth while rain taps the roof. Wash your face after climbing mountains. In this bathroom, the world feels like a hotel you brought with you. Now, the most intimate space. The bedroom. A sanctuary. A queen mattress with dual layers of memory foam. A skylight above your head. Curtains that close like a cocoon. 2 reading lights. 2 charging ports. A shelf for your camera or books. The walls are soft, not visibly, but acoustically. When you lie here, the outside world disappears. No engine, no wind, no noise of tires, just silence. And above you, stars through the glass, reminding you that adventure isn't loud. It's peaceful. But the magic of this machine doesn't end inside. Step out, and the side panel opens like a wing. The awning stretches automatically. A fold-down table emerges. Storage compartments reveal chairs, tools, recovery gear, ropes, a portable fire bowl, and even a compact folding grill. Behind one panel, a drone dock. Launch a drone that connects to your dashboard screen. Now you see the world from above. Rivers, forests, dunes, before you decide your path. This machine is not designed for campgrounds with Wi-Fi. It's designed for the middle of nowhere, the places where silence has weight, where the fire crackles in darkness, where your mind returns to its original rhythm. Imagine waking up with clouds under your feet because you camped above them. Imagine driving into valleys no human has stood before. That's what the Mack 6x6 offers. The rarest experience. Untouched reality. Every part of the engineering is built around survival. The body is high-strength steel. The frame is designed for rollover protection. Cameras cover all angles. Thermal imaging shows wildlife at night. The AI assistant analyzes terrain. If mud appears, torque shifts. If rain falls, traction tightens. If sand gets soft, tire pressure lowers automatically. It thinks, so you don't have to panic. This machine doesn't try to be pretty. It tries to be capable. And capability has its own beauty. When you see it climb a rocky hill, when you watch its tires grip ice, when you feel its engine hum through silence, you understand that beauty isn't only about looks. It's about purpose. Purpose is beautiful. But why build something like this? Why turn a truck into a home? Because life is short and the world is huge. Because cities shrink our imagination. Because phones distract us from sunsets. Because the sound of wind is better than notifications. The Mack 6x6 is an escape button in a world built on noise. Take it into deserts where sand looks endless. Take it into northern snow where silence lives. Take it into jungles where life breathes louder than humans. Take it into plains where the horizon stretches like a promise. This machine transforms geography into experience. People say adventure is dangerous, but routine is more dangerous. Routine kills dreams slowly. The Mack 6x6 gives you permission to dream again. Every mile becomes a memory. Every campfire becomes a story. Every morning becomes a beginning. Inside it, you don't just travel. You live. Not in hotels, not in rental cabins, not in planned tours. You live in motion. Your address becomes coordinates. Your neighbor becomes nature. Your nights become wide skies. Your mornings become silence. The only sound is your heartbeat. And maybe that's enough. The Mack 6x6 is a rebellion disguised as a vehicle. A statement that comfort and adventure are not rivals. They can be brothers. They can travel together. So where will you go? Where the road ends, or where it never existed? Will you follow maps, or draw your own? The Mack 6. 6 doesn't tell you what to do. It gives you the tools to do anything. Outside, the world is waiting. Inside, everything you need is already here. Warmth, safety, food, water, sleep, power, shelter. The essentials of life, packaged into a fortress with wheels. When you drive it, you don't conquer nature. You join it. You become part of the landscape, not an intruder. You move through mountains like they're friends. You glide through forests like a whisper. Some machines are built for speed, some for luxury, some for work. This one is built for something deeper, for soul. And when the night falls, and the awning glows under dim lights, and fire dances in a bowl, and stars reflect on glass, and wind dies into quiet, you realize something. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. And this machine carries that feeling anywhere you go. The 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper is not a vehicle. It is a lifestyle, a philosophy, an invitation, a gateway to the world the way it really is. Wild, silent, beautiful. Not filtered by screens. Not edited for social feeds. Real, raw, yours. Tomorrow you can park it at the edge of a cliff and watch the sun fall into the sea. Next week, you can sleep under northern lights. Next month, you can cross deserts like ancient travelers. And someday, you will look back and understand. The world didn't change. You did. This machine is a reminder that humans were born to explore, not to sit still. That feet were made for earth, not for tiles. That skies were made for eyes, not for windows. The Mack 6. 6 takes you back to that origin, to that truth, to that freedom. If your heart beats faster when you hear engines rumble, if your pulse rises when you see mountains in the distance, if your mind dreams of places unseen, then this is not a truck. It is destiny. The road is calling. The world is open. Your home has wheels. And the journey begins when you turn the key. Welcome to the future of adventure. Welcome to the meaning of freedom. Welcome to the 2026 Mack 6x6 Motorhome Camper. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Drive Rain, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming high-end vehicle reviews. Thank you for watching.